press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, so in linear equations in two variables we are discussing. So today we shall take up exercise 4.2 problems. Exercise 4.2, question number 1. I advise students to open your textbook, page number 70. So there you will get a question, which one of the following options is true and why? The question is y equals 3x plus 5. Y equals 3x plus 5. This is the equation given, has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So out of this, which one is the correct answer? This is the question. So here, as you know, it is an equation in two variable, linear equation in two variable. So as we have discussed at length, this will have infinite number of solutions. Anyway, we have to prove that. In this, if answer you find out some solutions, 2-3 solutions you can find out. If x equals 1, let us say, then y will be equal to 3 into 1 plus 5, that is y equals 3 plus 5, y equals 8. So this is when x is 1, y is 8. When x equals, if x equals 2, let us say, then y will be equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, y equals 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. And if I take x equals 0, you will get y equals 3 into 0 plus 5 equals 5. And if I take x equals minus 1, you will get y equals 3 into minus 1 plus 5, this equals minus 3 plus 5 equals 2. So therefore, the solutions we found out are x, y. When x is 1, we got 8. When x is 2, we got y value 11. When x is 0, when x is 0, we got y 5. And when x is minus 1, we got y is equal to 2. So these are the values we got. I will call this as A, B, C, D. Or you can represent like this: A 1 8, B 2 11, C 0 5, and D minus 1 2. So these are the solutions. All these are solutions of this equation. Here, for every value of x, we are getting a value of y. So therefore, you can write for every value of x, we are getting a corresponding value for y. We are getting corresponding. See, all these pairs will satisfy that equation. that you have studied in the previous class. We are getting corresponding value of y. Value of y. So therefore, equation y equals 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5 has got infinitely many solutions. That is, answer 3 has got infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. Now, second question. Second question. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So, 4 solutions we have to find out. So, 4 solutions for each of the equations given. 2x plus y equals 7 is first one. So, first sub question, 2x plus y equals 7. Now, you take some values for x and find out the value of y. So, 4 solutions we have to find out. Let us take x equals 0. When x is 0, this is 2 into 0 plus y equals 7. 0 plus y equals 7. So, y equals 7. We got one solution. Now, second, take x equals 1. Take x equals 1. When x equals 1, 2 into 1 plus y equals 7. So, 2 plus y equals 7. So, y equals 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now, take x equals, or else you take some values for y, so and find out x. Y is equal to 0 you take, find the value of x. When y is 0, 2 into x plus y value is 0 equals x. 2x equals 7, x equals 7 by 2. X equals 7 by 2. Then take y equals 1. So, when y is 1, you will get 2 into x plus 1 equals 7. 2x equals 7 minus 1. 2x equals 6. X equals 6 by 2. X equals 3. So, solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, solution 4. So, we have found out 4 solutions. When x and y, you tabulate now. When x is 0, y is 7. X is 0, y is 7. And when x is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Here, when y is 0, x is 7 by 2. Be careful in tabulating. You have to put the x value corresponding here only. When x is 7 by 2, y is 0. And here when y is 1, x is 3, or for x3 value we got y1. So this is the tabulation. You can name this as A, B, C, D. This is one way, or you can write like this: A 0 7, comma B 1 2, C 7 by 2 0, and D 3 1. You can write either this or this. You need not have to write both. This method will be useful for you for graphing purpose. Now, second question, pi x plus y equals 9. Second question under that sub question, pi x plus y equals 9. Now, let us calculate these things. So, let us calculate when x is 0, pi into 0 plus y equals 9, 0 plus y equals 9, y equals 9. This is one solution. We want 4 solutions. You take x equals, say now you take y equals 0. Y equals 0 and find out the value of x. So, y is 0, pi into x plus 0 equals 9, pi x equals 9, x equals 9 divided by pi. And you know that pi is 22 by 7. So, therefore, I will write 22 by 7. This becomes, so 9 by 1 into 7 by 22. So, 63 by 22. 63 by 22. So, 9 sevens are 63. 1 into 22 is 22. So, therefore, x equals 63 by 22. So, this is the second solution. So, when x is 0, y is 0, x is 63 by 22. So, we want 4 solutions. Take x equals 1, let us see. So, when x equals 1, we will get pi into 1 plus y equals 9. So, pi plus y equals 9. This is pi is, or I will write pi is a constant, you know, y equals 9 minus pi. Y equals 9 minus 22 by 7. Take LCM. So, you will get y equals 7 is the LCM. 63 minus 22, y equals 141 by 7. So, y equals 41 by 7. This is the third solution. First solution, second solution, third solution, and let us take x equals minus 1, let us see. So, you will get pi into minus 1 plus y equals 9. So, therefore, we will get y minus pi plus y equals 9, y equals 9 plus 5, y equals 9 plus 5, or y equals 9 plus 22 by 7, on y equals, take LCM, so 63 plus 22. So y equals 85 by 7. So this is, now you can tabulate your answer. We got 4 answers. So when x is 0, you got 9, y value 9. When y is 0, 63 by 22. So y is 0, 63 by 22. And x is 1, y is 41 by 7. And x is minus 1, y is 85 by 7. 85 by 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the values. Now you can nominate them A, B, C, D points. X equals 4y is the next equation. Third sub question, x equals 4y. So nothing to think more, put different values of x and you get different values of y. So when x equals, you can see when x equals 0, 0 equals 4y or 4y equals 0, just have reversed both. So y will be equal to 0 only. 0 divided by 4 is 0. So when x is 0, y is 0. Now take another value for x. When x is 2, let us say. So you can take any value. So let us take x is equal to 2. 2 equals 4 into y, or 4y equals 2. Y equals 2 by 4 equals 1 by 2. This is second solution. So you take x is equal to 4, let us say. X is equal to 4, you will get 4 equals 4 into y, or 4y equals 4, y equals 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And one more value, you take x equals minus 2. X equals minus 2. So when x is minus 2, so you will get minus 2 equals 4 into y, or 4y equals minus 2, y equals minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So now we got 4 solutions. Now we have to tabulate them. So therefore, when x is 0, y is also 0, 0, 0. When x is 2, y is half. X is 2, y is 1 by 2. When x is 4, y is 1. So for 4 we will get 1. And minus 2 minus half. Minus 2 minus 1 by 2. This is A, B, CD. So we got the 4 required solutions. So likewise you can find out more number of solutions also if required. Now I will move on to question number 3. Question number 3. So, check which of the following solutions of the equation x minus 2y x minus 2y equals 4 and which are not. So, some solutions are given here, some values are given. We have to find out whether these values satisfy this equation or not and say whether it is a solution or not. Check which of the following solutions of the equation. So, whether first one 0, 2. First one 0, 2. So, when we put x equals 2, 0 and y equals 2 in this equation, if LHS becomes equal to RHS, then this is a solution. Otherwise, this is not a solution. That is how we have to check. So, put x equals 0, y equals 2 in x minus 2y equals 4. So, therefore, x equals 0 is 0 minus 2 into y value is 2 equals 4, minus 4 equals 4. So, this is not correct. So, therefore, you put not equal to, not equal to. You have to write like this. Here, LHS is not equal to RHS. Minus 4 is never be equal to plus 4. So, therefore 0 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y equals 4. This is how you have to answer. Second one 2 0. 2 0. Second one. So, given equation is x minus. So, put x equals, this is x, this is y in this case. Put x equals 2, y equals 0 in x minus 2y equals 4. X minus 2y equals 4. So, x is 2 here, 2 minus 2 into y is 0 equals 4. So, 2 minus 0 equals 4, 2 equals 4, it cannot be, not equal to. So, same replay here LHS not equal to RHS. So, therefore, 2 0 is not a solution of given equation x minus 2y equals 4. X minus 2y equals 4. So, it is not a solution. Now, third one, 4 0. You have to check with 4 0. 4 0. 4 0. So, this is x, this is y. Put x equals 4, y equals 0 in which equation? X minus 2y equals 4. X minus 2y equals 4. X is equal to 4 minus 2 into y is 0 equals 4. 4 equals 4. So, here we got the solution. Here LHS equals RHS. That means the value satisfy the equation. So, therefore, 4 0 is a solution. Is a solution of x minus 2y equals 4. X minus 2y equals 4. And fourth one, root 2, 4 root 2. Fourth one, root 2, 4 root 2. You have to check with this. So, here this is x, this is y. Put x equals root 2, y equals 4 root 2. So, therefore, in x minus 2y equals 4. So, you carefully substitute the values. X is root 2, this is root 2 minus 2 into y is 4 root 2. Y value is 4 root 2 equals 4. Now, this is root 2 minus 2 into 4, 8 root 2, 8, 2 into 4, 8, it is 8 root 2 equals 4. You can take root 2 outside, so you will get root 2, this is 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2, or if you take 1 outside, you will get 1 minus 8 equals 4. So, 1 minus 8 is minus 7 root 2 equals 4. This cannot be a rational number, cannot be equal to a irrational number. Root 2 is irrational, 4 is rational, multiple of root 2 is also irrational. So, therefore, it is not equal to, it is not equal to. So, therefore, we can say root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution, not a solution, not a solution. And finally, 1 1, fifth one, 1 1. So, here x is also 1, y is also 1. Put x equals 1, y equals 1 in x minus 2y equals 4. So, 1, x value is 1 minus 2 into 1 equals 4. 1 minus 2 equals 4. Minus 1 equals 4. This is not possible, not equal. LHS not equal to RHS. So, therefore, 1 1 is not a solution. of x minus 2y equals 4. And the last problem under exercise 4.2, find the value of k if x equals 2, y equals 1 is a solution of the equation. See question number 4. If x equals 2, y equals 1 is a solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equals k. 2x plus 3y equals k. Find k. Find k. This is very simple problem. Substitute the values, answer, and find k. That's all. So put x equals 2, y equals 1 in 2x plus 3y equals k. So 2 into 2, x is 2 plus 3 into 1 equals k. 4 plus 3 equals k. 7 equals k, or k equals 7 is the answer. Very simple. So, dear students, so I will stop at this stage. We shall take up the remaining topics in the next session. So, thank you all. So, I want to see your level of understanding the subject in the comment section. So, try to give your feedback. If you did not understand anything, that also you mention, and seek some clarifications. I will try to give you the answers for those doubts. So, I hope you are following. I am looking forward to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you all.